Hey fam, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing an update video on my last video reviewing Calmoptics glasses. In the video, I let you guys know a little tip and trick on how to get a coupon code to save some money, and a few of you actually did the trick and said that you weren't receiving a coupon code, but I forgot to mention that it takes like 2 days. So let me just show you here on the screen what happens when you kind of just leave your cart open. So it takes some time, but so you guys don't have to wait that long, I actually reached out to Calmoptics and let them know that you guys are super interested and if they'd be willing to create a coupon code for you guys to receive a discount in checkout. So they said yes, and I'm gonna leave the coupon code across the screen here. You guys can apply it at checkout, and I'm also gonna be leaving an affiliate link down below to help you guys also save. So you can guys just click on the link, do your shopping, and it applies automatically at checkout. I do not receive any compensation. I don't get any money. This is really truly just for you guys. It's super important. Protect your eyes. Protect your eyes. Something else I do have to mention is that there is high volumes of purchases right now. A lot of people are really wanting these blue light protecting glasses. It's really high in demand. So when you order, please be considerate that it may take a little bit of time to be sent to you, but you can always reach out to them. They'll communicate with you and let you know what's good. But yes guys, that's it. I hope you have an awesome weekend. Check out the link below. I know you guys are interested. I just can't wait for you guys to get them. Let me know, tag me, and I will see you guys next week. Stay awesome. Love y'all.